What do you want, Saru?
Fries.
Do you love fries?
Yes.
Yes, she's eating puffs.
It was the night before Christmas. I was closing down for business.
Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today's video is a solo evening routine, and I'm going to show you what I do with my two girls when my husband's out of town. And right now it is 5 p.m. The girls woke up from their nap about an hour ago and they've been a little antsy. We're gonna go for a drive and I'm gonna go get a coffee, and the girls are going to eat their snacks and have milk, and we'll just kind of enjoy a little drive before we come home and have dinner and bath and bedtime. And I'll show you all little pieces of that, of what we get to do. If you're new, my name is Sarah. Welcome to our little family. I would love it if you hit that red subscribe button to join us here. We do lots of cleaning videos, routine videos, and right now, because it's Christmas, we're doing lots of Christmas themed videos. So stay tuned for all the fun stuff ahead. Thanks for watching, and give it a thumbs up if you like these kinds of videos. What do you want, Saru?
Fries.
Do you love fries?
Yes.
Yes, she's eating puffs. What else do you love to eat?
Strawberry. I love to eat strawberry.
Yeah? Okay, maybe we'll try to see if they have some.
Those are yucky.
What are yucky?
Strawberries are not good anymore.
Oh, yeah, the ones we threw away? Yeah, you're right.
In the coffee shop just next door, we talk for hours on end, and somehow we knew that we'd found something true, and that everything would change from now on. Yes, from this Christmas on, this Christmas on, from this Christmas on, it's gonna be.
So I stopped at this small neighborhood. However, I was shocked to see that this castle was right next door to where we live. I mean, look how massive this home is. It's just, I mean, just so gorgeous. Oh wow.
From this Christmas on.
Daddy.
Saru, what did we just go do, Saru?
One more thing.
We did? What else? What did we see on the house?
Frosties! I'm cooking the dinner back. I'm cooking the dinner back.
Get that pretty girl.
Hold up, I am on my way, I'm in motion. Let's go to the ocean. Yeah, let's go outside. We can hang out on the beach without freezing. Yeah, isn't that amazing? In Christmas times, we'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand. You ready? Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart. And I can promise Santa's coming to visit. No, he wouldn't miss this. dance, dance, have a good time. Dance, dance, all night long. We're gonna dance, dance, and have a good time. I think Santa's gonna come and join us in this song. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sanctuary. Doesn't matter, it's Christmas in my heart. It's cold outside, but the fire keeps us warm. We can spend the night underneath the mistletoe. And I've gotten you a present that I put under the tree. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for you and me. The snow is falling down and the storm is on its way. But as long as you're around, everything will be okay. 'Cause all I wanna do is spend this holiday with you. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for me and you. I longed for this moment to have you for myself, in a cabin out in nowhere, just us and no one else. I've decorated everything to be perfect for this week. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for you and me. Another year went by, but the difference this time is that ever since July, I've been happier than I have ever been. It's safe to say that my love for you is true. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for me and you. I longed for this moment to have you for myself, in a cabin out in nowhere, just us and no one else. I've decorated everything to be perfect for this week. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for you and me. Cause all I wanna do is spend this holiday with you. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for me and you. I longed for this moment to have you for myself, in a cabin out in nowhere, just us and no one else. I've decorated everything to be perfect for this week. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for you and me.
No, I can't wait for the weekend. Waking up next to you, we'll be sharing our secrets, making dreams come true. Let's have a toast for the lovers. We'll tumble round in the snow, and my heart's going boom, boom, boom. You're so beautiful. What a night. Can you feel it too? Girl, I won't let you go. When the sky comes alive, let's have a jolly holiday.
So here I am putting my baby to bed first while my toddler hangs out in her room. All I do is place a candle on and her sound machine, and typically it's set to like rain. And I've gotten her dress and her sleep sack and her passy, and basically I just kind of give her cuddles and prayers and kisses and set her in the bed, and she's pretty good about that.
We'll tumble round in the snow, and my heart's going boom, boom, boom. You're so beautiful. Can you feel it too? I won't let you go.
Thanks guys for watching my evening routine by myself. If you're new, please click that red subscribe button. I'd love to have you with us. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Also, leave a comment below and let me know what your favorite part of our evening routine was. Thanks for watching. Bye.
Can't wait another year. Just talking on the phone, I'll make you feel at home. Oh, when I got you by my side, what a